Moving forward for the next presentation, that is showing transforming railway manufacturing through advanced welding automation and digital technologies. And for that, would like to invite Mr. Suman Mitra, CEO, Clues India Welding Technology. Kindly come forward on the stage for the presentation, sir. Can we have a big round of applause for Mr. Suman Mitra? Thank you.
So, good afternoon and thank you to all of you and RailTrans for arranging such a good platform where we can discuss various technology which is required for the next era of railway development which we are looking for as a country in India. And from the morning we have learned many things. One, we started with the new engine, new fuel possibility, that is hydrogen fuel possibility. Then we discuss about AI, which was very much learning for us. That is all about future technology. And with that, we are with manufacturing technology, which is the basic. But according to our experience, there are a lot which we should inform. We should improve to increase the safety of railway, because we are talking about AI safety, but we believe there are a lot of improvement required in the manufacturing facility of the railway coaches or bogies. And here we come with the welding technology. Clues is a German welding company, 107 years we are serving the industry, and our founder Mr. Karl Clues, that's how we started in 1919. I will go through in a very short brief that who we are, what we have done in the manufacturing industry all over the world, and what we are doing already in India, and what we can do for the next 10 years, 20 years, what we are looking for. So Clues as a global company having 17 subsidiaries, Clues India is one of the subsidiaries. This is where the main focus we like to give, because as a robotic welding supplier, are we only a automation technology supplier? We will say that should be the second discussion. The base is welding. So we come from the welding technology. We started 1919, 1950s, the MIG-MAG technology started. Then the next revolution come, and Clues was the leader and inventor for that, the tandem welding technology, which comes with two MIG wire, synchronized pulse, single torch, but double or triple the deposition. And not only the deposition, here immediately from any welding point of view, the first thing comes into mind that more wear, more deposition, maybe more heat. But it is actually just opposite. When you are able to deposit more, you are also going very fast. So when you are going very fast, you are also distributing the heat very fast. So this is how Clues, according to the welding requirement in the industry, keeps on developing the welding technology first. And our latest one is 2025, that is a Tandem Plus. We are the leader that this technology is patented for us, MIG-MAG 3-wire from the same torch. Then I will come the next stage, that is the welding automation, that what we are providing to the industry. Manual welding to small cell, cobot welding or customized system. We are here in the just opposite to this conference area. Once after this you can come, we can also share you that all our experiences related to compact system and other application where we are developing the complete automation according to the product requirement or the product design. Here you can see all of our experience worldwide to all the railway manufacturing industry. And today we are proud to say that we are not only limited to show you worldwide. We already started our journey in India. We are supplying two systems for railway bogie side frame welding to BEML. we supplied to Apex Auto, Jamshedpur. Texmaco, we already supplied a small startup system, you can say. We are discussing for the next level of automation and welding development. So this is how we started our journey in India, and we are really very excited that due to the reason we are coming from the welding background, we are having entire knowledge of developing all the innovation happened all over the world for last 30-40 years. We lead the manufacturing in China, so why not in India? There are different applications, either it's bogie side frame, either it's roof, or it's the coach body. We have solution for everything, and these are all from a single source. So there is a small video. This video will show you some clips of the system we supplied already in India. This is for bogie side frame welding. We supplied, this is a very new system, just 1 month old, supplied to Apex Auto Jamshedpur. Tandem welding technology, having a very high deposition and very fast in speed. So high productivity, almost zero distortion. Clean welding, no splatter cleaning or post welding activity. We can go directly for painting. Here we have some example for various welding we have done all over the world, especially a complete automated welding line for CRRC in China. So the scale we are looking for next 10 years in India, it's not only 1 or 2 automation, we need a line automation to achieve that speed. This is a complete welding line for different component, bogie side frame. Every welding is guided by a tracking system that any component variation in the input quality is automatically taken care. So there will be no post welding requirement due to the error happening on the shop floor. System is AI developed so that any variation on the shop floor is automated taken care. Then the next part comes according to our way of thinking that it's a German technology. So being 20 years in the organization, I know there are many questions from customer that how about the support system in India? How about the cost? This is the very genuine question which I want to discuss also in a very short time. So what we have developed? We developed a skill center in Pune where each and every welding technology which we are showing here, we like to invite from this forum that we can arrange a technical session where we can show live welding quality tracking system, that what we are showing on the video, is it really applicable in the Indian condition? So this we have already developed. So we can also, after this forum, we can discuss separately that we are ready to arrange a technical session at our Pune Experience Center where we can really show it. Next is the cost. So what we have done during our first experience in a different sector, it was in Garden Dish Shipyard. This is also one of the fast and successful system in the Navy or shipyard supplied by Clues. So this we started around discussion 2019 or 20, and that time it was for PSU as well as for the cost perspective. It was a demand from my customer that what about some Indian manufacturing. So this comes from two different demand. One is make in India, second is the cost. So what we have done, if you look at this picture, the picture on the bottom side, this is actually the manufacturing facility we started in India in Pune. What does it mean? What we are manufacturing? Definitely not the key component. Key components like robots, sensor package, motors, electricals, welding, everything comes from Germany. But the heavy part, that is the steel part, gantry, and the cost to carry that one from Germany to India, one container after COVID, even we have paid 12,000 euro. So 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs rupees is huge cost, one container. So this gives us the reason that let's start manufacturing the heavy part, which is actually a burden to Indian customer. So this is the next level we already started. Even the BEMEL system which we are supplying is also steel part made in India and key component from Germany. These are our network, Pune being the head office. We have all over the country, everywhere our service network. Spare and consumables we are supplying within 48 hours from our Pune division. This is the stock. So this, why I am showing this? I am showing this in a very practical way of thinking. The technology is available, but is it really viable for the Indian condition? So Clues as a single source supplier, as a welding company, this is our portfolio from sales discussion to supply, installation and after sales. Everything you have only one call to make, that's Clues, not here and there. This is two of our PSU project. BEMEL, we already supplied to their defense. Already KGF system is running for last 6 months. And the Bangalore system for the railway, two system already under installation in Bangalore. Maybe in next 1 month it will be in live condition. And GRAC system is running in shipyard for last 3 years. And beside that we have all private sector, we are catering them for last 30 years. You name it, JCB, Caterpillar, Case New Holland, all heavy is our customer. So thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask me, or we are just next to the conference area. You are heartily welcome to visit us so that we can discuss in detail also. Thank you.
Mitra? Yeah. Please give him a big round of applause, everyone. I also would like to have